Imagine you're in a country or city where hot days are getting hotter or more frequent. Yet you don't have access to a reliable fan to keep cool or a fridge to keep your food fresh. Take Maya. She lives in the slum of a large city. She rarely buys fresh food as she is not able to store it. And there is Lina, a farmer, who is not able to sell her fruits and vegetables in a nearby city as they would spoil before they arrive. There are also nurses like Harry. He would be able to do much more for his patients if he could refrigerate medicine and vaccinations properly. At home, Harry just bought his first air conditioner, the lowest priced one he could find. There are more than 1 billion people like Maya and Lina that remain at high risk from a lack of access to cooling. There are more than 2 billion people such as Harry buy the lowest priced air conditioner or refrigerator they can. But appliances that seem the most affordable are often the least efficient and need more energy, leading to higher cost and a greater impact on the environment. How can we improve the lives of Maya, Harry, and Lina without harming the climate and the environment? First, we need to assess their cooling needs. Are they related to human comfort and safety? Are they related to food security and agriculture? Or are the main needs related to health services? Sustainable cooling for all is essential for increasing energy efficiency and combating climate change. It also impacts several other sustainable development goals. Take zero hunger. It cannot be reached without agricultural cold chains. Agricultural cold chains are increasingly important to sustainable food supplies in cities, and as urban populations grow, the volume of food transported from rural settings has increased tremendously. Good health and well-being are also threatened by unreliable medical cold chains for vaccines and other medical supplies. To stay effective, vaccines and medical supplies require refrigerated transport, and once arrived, they need cold storage powered by reliable energy. Access to cooling is especially important for women and girls in developing countries. Their livelihoods are affected when they can't take advantage of agricultural cold chains, access public cooling centers, nor effective health services. Productive economies and sustainable cities also depend on cooling. As urban populations swell and temperatures rise, risks to vulnerable people grow when they don't have access to cooling. In a warming world, cooling is not a luxury. It is an issue of equity and an urgent and growing problem that calls for fast action. Governments must create comprehensive cooling plans. Industry should understand the size of the cooling market and ensure that efficient devices are accessible and affordable. Cities and local authorities should identify priority actions to protect vulnerable populations. Chilling prospects. Tracking sustainable cooling for all shows how assessing cooling needs, taking appropriate action, and achieving the sustainable development goals can be done together. By meeting people's cooling needs in a holistic way, it's possible to create a cooler, safer, and more sustainable future for Maya, Harry, Lina, and all of us.